Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing this package from Apocalyptic Beauty. Apocalyptic Beauty is cruelty-free and vegan. It's a monthly subscription. Apocalyptic Beauty also has a website where they sell single items. I happen to get the subscription. It's very inexpensive and you get a really good deal. You get 3 or 4 things. Typically eye makeup. Let's see what they have this month. This month's selection is Necromancer. Next month's theme is Dark Alice in Wonderland. So they always have a spooky, dark kind of theme, which really something I'm interested in, something I'm drawn to. They have a little bag. This bag is so cute. It has little skulls. Sort of like skull and crossbones, like Jolly Roger. And which goes with the theme. Their bags always go with the theme. And they come with candy, skulls and bones, sweet tarts. Oh my goodness, that sounds delicious. So it looks like we've got 4 things here in the bag. The first thing is Reanimation. Reanimation is gray with a blue hue. It is lip safe. I have used these shadows, they're eyeshadows, but I've used some of the sparkly ones as lip toppers and they work and they look really cute. If you have a non-dry down type lipstick, I think it works with that. It can mix in. And then the next thing we have here is Desecration, and this is gray with green shimmer and green to blue duochrome shift. It is not lip safe though. And then we have Curse. Curse is black with a red sheen, also lip safe. Then we have White Walker, which is an ethereal blue with blue violet sparks. They recommend using it as an inner corner highlight. So we've got 4 eyeshadows actually today. And I was asked if I would, along with the unboxing, if I would do a try-on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a try-on of these 4 shadows. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Reanimation. And Reanimation is the gray with the blue hue. I'm just going to do a little quick swatch there. It's very pretty. When swatched, the blue really shows up a lot more. So these do not come with sifters. They're actually very, very full. You get a lot of product with this. But you have to be careful not to spill, which I have done in the past. I'm going to put a little bit of Reanimation. So the gray, the blue hue, that's the Reanimation. I'm going to put a little bit of that on a fluffy brush. And these are loose shadows, so you gotta tap them. Okay, so that was pretty pigmented, really pretty. It's nice kind of ghostly gray blue color. Next I'm going to go in with Curse, which is the black with the red sheen. And I like to deepen the corners going straight out because I have hooded eyes. I'm just going to take this brush and do a little blending. Now I have to say, although it does deepen up the corners and it's got a nice black color to it, I don't see the red when applied to the eyes. And I'm thinking that I do see it in here. I definitely see a red shift in here. And I'm wondering if you apply it if you apply it wet, I think the red might show up more, but it doesn't show up just applied like this. Also, please keep in mind I forgot to put primer down. So it's not going to be as grippy putting it on the eyes without primer. So I think without primer, this looks pretty good so far. Okay, I'm going to go in with Desecration. It's a grayish green. And for highlight, I am going to use White Walker. I'm going to highlight underneath the brow. As well as the inner corner. I'm just going to take a clean, fluffy type brush and blend everything in. And I realized I didn't swatch the rest of the colors. Let me quickly do that for you. So this is White Walker. And that is a beautiful shifting. It's white with a violet shift. And you can probably see that on my inner corners right here. It's a very reflective. Very pretty. This one is Desecration. And it is that greeny gray color here. And this one is Curse, and let's see if the red shows up in the swatch. Okay, so I do see that a little bit, definitely a little bit in the swatch. But how I apply it on my eyes, it kind of loses that redness. But I think if I applied it wet, or if I did actually have primer down, I think that would help a lot. Okay, I am back with liner and mascara, and my lipstick is Invisible Woman from LA's Splash Classic Horror Collection. The verdict, what is my verdict for the Apocalyptic Beauty monthly subscription box? My verdict is yes, I like it. Is it my favorite month? No. There's been other months that I've liked a lot better, but I do really like it. I like how it gives me this sort of zombie chic sort of look. I really like the subscription overall. I like how all the items go together to create a certain kind of look. I think that's fun. And I like how it's inexpensive, vegan, cruelty free, and it's an indie brand, all that great stuff. So the standout shadow is the White Walker, which I use for my inner corner highlight. I think it's really pretty, it's really reflective, and I love that violet shift. I think it ties everything together in the look, and I will definitely be using this in the future for different necromantic sort of looks. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.